How can you get reputable gold and silver dealers? There is physical gold and digital or paper gold as well as in the case of money. So which is the best starter of gold investment, a bullion bar or a first gold sovereign, gold futures or mining shares? If you want to invest in gold, you need to know that these different kinds of gold correspond to different ways to invest in gold. The best way for you to invest in gold is the method that better correlates with your motivation. As a rule, you make short-term investments if you are interested in market speculation, medium-term investments if you aim at accumulation, and long-term investments if investing in gold is your form of financial insurance. First, consider the costs of such an investment. You need an initial financial outlay, but you also need to be informed of the annual fees due for the different forms of gold possession and to include those in your prior calculations. Also consider access to your investments. If you need easy access, then physical forms of gold like the gold sovereign or the gold bars which you need, as these are the allocated and deliverable forms of gold available. You must know that a gold sovereign is more expensive per oz than a bullion bar, but these coins are exempt from capital gains tax. Speculative investment aims at unallocated and undeliverable gold. And the ownership of speculative gold in the forms of futures, options, mutual funds and mining shares poses clear risks to the precious metal owner, although gold is ascertained to allow a relatively risk-free speculation in the market. Medium-term and long-term investments have specific risks in their turns which are connected to you or your relationship with counterparties such as banks, funds and trustees. To a professional investor, on the other hand, the best way to make wise investments in gold is to own a diversified portfolio which includes paper gold in the forms of ETFs and gold futures, as well as physical gold in the form of bullion bars and coins. However, again, you do not have to be a professional investor to invest in different forms of gold. All British citizens aged over 18 can buy gold mine shares or invest in gold through an ETF as part of their ISA. Also, gold can be a part of your pension investment through a SIP. And specialized online professionals will help you make the best decisions concerning gold as an investment.